'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that a new Randonautica video soon would be there.
What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for joining me again. Merry Christmas to all. A Happy New Year, all that good stuff. I hope you guys have or had a great holiday. I would be dressed a little bit more festive, but I've been in that crap all day, and now it's just time to be comfortable. But I wanted to get this intro recorded for you guys so I can make sure to have this. Cats are messing around back there making noise. I wanted to get this recorded so I could have this video out for you guys for Christmas Day. It's a little bit shorter than I was hoping for. A lot of the intentions I did just were useless because I'm still not really all that what's the word, all that excited about driving. So I just did some, on my walks and stuff, I just ran some points and things like that. So I did get a couple of intentions in here, 2 to be exact. And then I have, after the Randonautica intentions are done, I have a little walkthrough of a Christmas village that is about a 15-minute or so walk from my house. So I hope you guys enjoy. And again, thank you guys all very much for taking your time on this holiday to check this out. If you're not watching this on Christmas Day, well, I hope you did have a great Christmas anyway. And hopefully we'll have a new video up for New Year. But we'll get into it here, guys, and we'll see you afterward. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to another Randonautica adventure. Out here taking a bit of a walk for, get the hard, healthy steps in, and figure I'll try my cell phone to see how we do. So we ran our point. The intention we used came from the viewer. I can't look at it now because I'm using the phone. Oh, come on! Oh, Country Girl 648. Sorry about that. Almost forgot. And left a few intentions. We are going to use the intention superhero. So that's what we're looking for tonight. Superhero or something of that sort. And our point is, let's turn you guys around here. I do got my flashlight with me. I don't got any external lights or anything for this phone, so gotta hope that the light we have around town is enough. Let's get focused up. Turn a flashlight on, maybe that'll help it focus up. There we go. Alright, yeah. So, we are not super far from our point here, but and we've been, I think the last time I did a walk-a-nautica, as I like to call it, where I ran Randonautica points, just walking around town. I think it brought us here as well. A yield sign, yeah, big old yield sign. Report emergency or problem. There you go. If you're ever in this area and you need to report an emergency or problem to the railroad, there's the phone number. What's going on here? Oh, they still have this marked up. So what? Like the, I guess it's like bridge or something. It's just private property. So you can't cross the the bridge. Says the rail authority, I guess. Oh, I'm kind of surprised that there's not much Christmas decorations out yet. This area is usually big for that. Huh. There's some down there. Our point is just see that light post right there. Our point is just about there. It goes out of focus because of my finger. Come on, let's get focused up. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, this is really hard to do with the phone. And I do apologize if the quality's not the greatest. Again, we're using this cell phone. And I don't have, like, I know there are cell phones out there that are very good at stuff like this. I unfortunately don't have one of those. So what we got here? Let's see if I can turn that light off helps. Oh, just natural gas pipeline. Same thing there. Caution. You can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but hissing. Alright, so like I said, our point is somewhere near this little light post here. Oh, this is, wow, look at how those letters light up. That's great. No trespassing except during scheduled events. Oh well, that's not good. I mean, it's like a pavilion and stuff. What? I don't know. Oh. See what we got here. Oh, I guess it was a sign here at some point, but oh, yeah, here it is. Get out the way. So it's kind of weird that it says something like this when it's a part of a park. But that is cool how those letters light up like that. Huh. Oh, oh, looks nice and lit up. Anyway, I don't want to get in any trouble or anything, don't you think? I mean, I'm just filming the place, right? And I'm not really, I'm just walking. And it says it's a park, so I don't really get it. Plus, I see people here all the time, like just jerking around. Oh, plus this is if you don't, I don't know if you can see. So see, so this is the band. They call it the band shell. They have oh, come on, focus, focus, please. Sorry, guys. This is not a professional production, as we're all aware, especially with this phone. But yeah, this is called the band shell. Um, like public entertainment here and stuff. Now and again, some local bands and stuff like that, and they have like Fourth of July parties here. They this building right here. Um, this is like where the Halloween parade starts around here. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Don't go out of focus. No, don't do it. Don't do it to me. Thank you. Jeepers. Um, yeah, so they have they start like the Halloween parade here. Um, and this you guys seen before. I believe the last time we were down this way. Um, we walked last time. Oh, car's coming. Just make sure I'm not going to get hit by them. Turn this light out of their face. Um, so yeah, we were here almost a year ago now, I think, since we were last uh, doing Randonautica in the town proper. We always do it around the area, but not really in the town proper. But yeah, we've seen this before. This is this is their I guess their rest area um, for when they have functions and stuff. It's got the nice mural on it with the butterflies and bees and stuff. So, but I don't see anything here so far that has to do with superhero. Nothing, nothing back here. Oh, look at that! They're like grow tables or something, like a community garden or something like that. Oh, there's a little puppy or something. Oh, a little kitty. I don't know if you'll see the eyes glowing from here. A little kitty over there. Oh, yeah, looks like a community garden. I didn't know they had this here. I definitely didn't see this last time we were down here. Oh yeah, it's pretty. I'm sorry it's so dark. Like I said, I don't really have any external lights, um, other than the normal camera flashlight or whatever that's on the phone. Um, I'll try and brighten it up during editing. If I mean, we might not even. I might not even post this obviously because we haven't seen anything really has to do with superhero. I didn't really look good back behind things over there, but I wanted to check this out for. We've seen this before from a distance, but I wanted to get it up close now that we're here. Big old rooster, or chicken, and some Christmas lights. You gotta love it. I love the. I'm not a big fan of Christmas itself, like especially because it's in a time of year that it's kind of, you know, bleh, cold, and I don't know if you notice it, but streets are all wet. It's been raining all day, cold, dreary rain. Um, so I'm finally getting out now for a walk. I don't see anything under there that might fit our intention of superhero. Camera there. I don't know if that's going to matter. I'm not really, like I said, I'm not really doing anything, and it does say it's a park. I don't understand. Maybe those Maybe those signs are just for like inside the buildings or something, because they are on all different buildings. But I can't imagine that you're not allowed to walk around a park. I don't see anything back here. What was this? Electric. Oh, wow. That's a big old solid thing. Don't see anything back there. Just another one of those electric panel things. What does that say? Dink 215. What's that? What's that thing? Oh, well, I can't see it with that light on it. What's that thing here? Okay. Little TV, like, or something? Is that like a little antenna on it? Sorry, I'm shining a flashlight in your guy's face. What's this? Turn you out. Nope, I can't see anything then. Let's go out here where there's light. Alright, so it is. I'm not sure what that is. 3. Oh, come on. There's a light here. It's like a reflective thing or something, so the light is making it. So it's. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like 3 animated girls in like bathing suits or something. I want to focus on that. Yeah, it looks like it's got some knobs on it here, like it's TV. What's that say? Can't. Cinematic. I think is what it says. Yeah, cinematic. See anything on the back? Can't see. No, it just looks like it has like dirt and backings of a TV. Take a better look at this here. Make sure there's nothing else on it. Yeah, I don't know. Seems like a kid's toy, I guess. But, let's see. So I'm not sure what to make it at. I don't know, does that have anything to do with our intention superhero? I don't know. It don't look too super to me. I mean, I'm guessing it's a kid's cartoon of some sort, but I'm not too hip on that. So, you know, I don't know. I guess that's going to be that for this intention. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. Comment me some intentions that you may want to see me do, or whatever. Just say hi. It's always fun to interact with you guys in the comments. I hope this video quality isn't too crappy because, well, cell phone. So I do my apologies if it is. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. We're gonna take this along with us. Check it out. See if we can figure out what it is, or maybe you guys can tell me what it is, and we'll see you all real soon. Next time. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to another Randonautica adventure. So, I couldn't have picked a worse night to be out doing this. I'm sure you'll see the snow coming down. I was out for a walk, and I knew it was going to snow, but I didn't think it was going to, you know, start this early. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Sorry, guys. Not a professional production, and I'm using my phone. There we go. But anyway, yeah, so we're out and about here for, like I said, another Randonautica adventure. I, I don't remember who it was who, and just look, this is all fresh too. It just started not, what, 15 minutes ago as I was walking toward this point. But I forget who asked me to do this. Look, I'm pointing the thing at the ground when I'm trying to talk to you guys. I forget who asked me to do this intention. Um, but I will make sure it's posted, you know, here somewhere. But since I'm using my phone right now to record until I can get a new camera, I can't just like hop on and look and see. But I do remember the intention. It was Frozen in Time, and what an apt intention now. I mean, I already thought it was an apt intention when I first started walking toward it here, because it is freezing out. It's just so cold. Oh my goodness. But let me turn you guys around. I'm sure you don't want to see my stupid face. Oh dear. I just hope I don't fall. I don't have the proper shoes on to be walking in the snow. I was hoping to get my walk and possibly Randonautica all out of the way before it started snowing. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining. For those of you out there that do celebrate, Merry Christmas. This is most likely going to be part of the Christmas special. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, you know, whatever it is you celebrate. Happy holidays. And thank you very much, guys, for allowing me to hopefully entertain you here during the holiday season. This is, as I'm sure you guys are aware, because I've said it many times, this is one of my least favorite times of year around here, because it's when it usually starts getting nasty out. Not that I dislike Christmas or anything, I just dislike the particular point in the year, or well, in the seasons, I guess, because we get some nasty weather around here, as I'm sure a lot of you guys may know. But we're gonna get to see some cool lights. Our point is just actually, I don't know if you can see that bush there or whatever it is that I'm pointing up with the lights. Our point is down around there somewhere, so we got not too far to walk yet. Yeah, we're just walking down through the park here. I've shown you guys this park before. It's all covered up, so looks pretty neat. I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments about snow. Like, I love seeing snow. You know, when it's like this, it's all, you know, clear, pristine, white, and beautiful. I don't like being out in it because it's cold, and I don't like cleaning it up because it's very heavy most times, and it gets all dirty and yucky. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think about snow. Obviously, nobody's gonna want to like cleaning it up. But not everybody likes the snow. Even you know, a lot of people don't think it's nice to look at and stuff like I do, I guess. But I enjoy it as far as when I'm not having to be out in it. I actually don't even mind being out in it, as long as I have a warm place to go to, which unfortunately I do not. I'm quite a distance away from the homestead. You know, this is my, you know, this is my town where I live and everything, but I live like up that way in the boonies, up in the mountains. But we're almost there. Like I said, it's somewhere down near like that bush there or something. Because the point is actually in the creek. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see the creek here, but the point is actually in the creek all the way down at the end here. So obviously I'm not going to go in the creek, but I figure with the radius that we usually like to check, odds are there'll be land down here to check. But there is also over there an area. I don't know if I'm going to go down that way, because you have to cross a bridge to get over there. Like, you can't. I'm definitely not jumping down in the creek or anything. You have to cross the bridge and then go around all these buildings. I don't know if you see some of the buildings over there. But we'll see if we find anything. If not, we'll maybe take a walk over. But again, our intention was frozen in time, and I will have it posted who put it on here once I can look at it. But unfortunately, I do not remember. My apologies to whoever it was, but I will make sure you get your proper credit. Turkey Hill. People are probably looking at me like, what the heck is this moron doing? I guess it don't look too weird since I'm not carrying a big old camera right now. I'm just carrying a phone. I don't know how good this quality is. It looks alright on the screen. There's some nice lights. Alright, so yeah, so here's where, so our point is actually right, like down over the bank it would be. So we're not going there. But frozen in time, I mean, it's going to be me soon. Making it look like firing in a barrel. This is another thing I do like about this time of year. Even though it's my least favorite time of year, the lights are nice. Oh, there's a big old tree over there. What's this? Got some presents set up. Home for the holidays, Shamokin, established 1835. So I say, Cuba, Spanish War, veterans, Philippine Islands, Puerto Rico. There's a big old statue there. They have it all lit up very well here. But I don't know. I don't really know what I'd be looking for. I mean, I guess you can consider a statue frozen, something frozen in time, right? And our point, like I said, is right. I'm gonna point you down to where it's at. It's ridiculous. So our point would be right about there, right? If I am looking at that right about there. So in the water. So I don't know. I think that might be the. I think that might be it. Just the statue itself might be the frozen in time, the fulfillment of frozen in time intention. I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. Focus up. Thank you. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, I think that checks out. I am. Look at me. I am sufficiently cold and turning white. So I don't know. I think that's gonna. I think that that statue. I think, in my opinion, suffices for. Hey, Mike, keep out. Trying to do a vlog here. yeah, I think that statue, monuments, statues, things like that, I guess you could consider them frozen in time, right? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I am going to go to, I guess I should have just went through here. I'm going to go to Dollar General. This is the next closest store. I'm going to warm up a little bit there. Maybe get a drink or something. I might try to run a couple more intentions. I don't know, it's really cold. And I think I got about around my 10,000 steps in. Close to it, I would think. And it's only like 8 o'clock, or not even 8 o'clock. It's only like, what time is it? Oh, I tell you, if I accidentally turn the, oh, sorry guys. I'm like pointing up in nowhere. Accidentally turn the heart monitor on instead of being able to watch. It's a lot earlier than I thought. I thought it was like 8 o'clock, as it was the first thing I said. And like, no, not quite 8 o'clock. It's 6:15. It's early, so early. I don't know where I lost all the time, but yeah, what am I doing? I'm doing nothing. Just rambling. So anyway, guys, yeah, we're gonna get on out of here. I'm gonna tuck this phone and stuff away so it doesn't get too broken. Since it's the only thing I have to record on right now. And we'll see how it looks once I get home and get to do a little editing. But thank you very much for joining me. Let me know what you think of if you saw the intention. Hit that like button, it really helps. And we'll see you real soon. Next time. What's happening, guys? Welcome back in. For those of you that are still here, thank you very much for watching. It's much appreciated. So for those of you that like displays and things like that, what's coming up will be for you. For those of you that were just here for the Randonautica, this is the end of the Randonautica experiences. Hope you enjoyed them. Leave that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Leave me some intentions. I only have only a few intentions left that people have left me. So my buddy over at the night crew, he left me about 5 or 6 intentions. We're going to maybe do some of them here coming up. But like I said, it's a little rough. I'm still trying to get myself into the being all right to drive mindset. Like, I'm not really comfortable behind the wheel of a car right now. But we're going to be doing some walking stuff and see what we can do. So leave me your intentions. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification bell to get notified of the videos. We're hoping to have another video out here for New Year's. Yeah. So again, that's going to be it for the Randonautica. If you guys want to help support the channel, maybe help get me a new camera, since I'm using a phone / webcam to record these things for you guys. You can visit the Patreon. Links will be down below. You can there's the Amazon wish list. You can check out the merch, what have you. If not, no big deal. We love having you here either way, and hope you guys have a great holiday. And if you're not watching this on the holidays, then whenever you're watching it, I hope you did have a great holiday. Yeah, whether it's morning, day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, we love you. We hope you have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see you real soon next time. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back. So I've been trying to do stuff within walking distance of my house that just to get you guys content. So I figured, with it being Christmas and everything, we're gonna go check out some lights, and then maybe we'll even run an intention. But I'm still a couple blocks away. Where we're going here, it's about 15 minutes, maybe 17, 18 minutes walk from where I live. But I want to get content for you guys, especially for the holidays. So here we are, and I probably would have waited till I got a little closer to turn the camera on, but I just need something to keep my mind off being cold. It is freezing. I love you guys, and I love getting content for you, but I'm already regretting this. Anyway, let's turn you guys around. I want to watch my lights though, because we are walking through a residential area. But yeah, we're going to a local light display, Christmas village, whatever you want to call it. But they call this place Tharptown. From where I live up in the mountains, like I said, it's about a 15 to 20 minute walk. Ooh, here's some nice lights we're passing. But yeah, so, oh, there we go. We're just about there. All them lights you see up there, that's where we're heading. So once they get out of the, but sorry if I'm a mess, man. It's cold. Makes your nose run. Makes my head hurt. But for you guys, no problem. So yeah. Okay, it looks like the children have gotten into the car and they're off, so we can go ahead and turn you guys back around. So here's the beginning of it. You guys may remember this from last year when we took a look at it. I just wanted to see if they added anything this year. Children, so you gotta watch it. It's neat. Oh, the big mushroom and the extra life mushroom. Oh, they got a whole Super Mario display here this year. They didn't have this here last year. They actually had it over there. These people at their house had Super Mario last year. This year it looks like they went with someone else. We're gonna have to go check that out too. These by the way are not part of the Christmas village. Those are just decorated houses. So we'll check them out in a minute. But this is cool. This definitely wasn't here last year. The Super Mario display. Oh, look at this Bowser. This is awesome. He's lighting up the tree with his breath. That's a weird looking princess. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Wow, a lot of people just showed up all of a sudden. The parking lot was thinning out. So yeah, we're just gonna, I guess we'll do the outskirts here first, and then we'll try and go inside, providing there's not a ton of kids around. I mean, you can see some of it from back, or some of it from back here anyway, but I'll go check it out. It's kind of late. I can't. Oh, I don't have my watch. Forgot my watch. I think it's like 9 o'clock, something like that. Let's say T is for tree. Yep. Um, what is this? Does anybody know what these guys are? Got some kind of tails on them. I'm not sure what they are, but either way, they have a lollipop, a candy cane, and a Christmas present. At the name of Jesus, every knee should bow, it says. Philippians, however you pronounce that, 2:10, I guess that says. Oh, and of course, the nativity scene. Somebody was just on the merry-go-round back there, if you see it spinning. And then that's about the end of the front of it. You just got a couple more lights down here with some like lanterns and stuff and bells and things of that nature. Oh, my hands are freezing. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. I guess there's some people coming out right now. Once they clear out, maybe we'll go in. But there are still some kids in there, so I gotta watch what I do. I don't know if you guys will see it. Oh no, you won't, because I don't have proper exposures on this phone that I have to use. But it has a big old moon tonight. It's looking beautiful. Alright, so now we'll take a walk through. Oh, this is neat. Didn't see this last year either. We got a Star Wars setup. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, I guess that's about it for now because there's only a couple other little things and there's kids around them, so let's go check out what they got going on over at this house this year. And then I am going to go to the nearest corner store to warm up. I know there's one around here somewhere. So I guess it's a Christmas story. Looks like Ralphie shooting his eye out. The dad with the leg lamp. His brother all bundled up. Flick with his tongue stuck to the pole. Yeah, that's pretty neat. That's a good. I like that. All right. So, I guess that's going to be that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the walk through the Christmas village. Once I get feeling back in my fingers, because these gloves, they don't do anything in this real cold weather. I got to get a pair of winter gloves. Sorry, like spitting water everywhere and stuff. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys celebrate the holidays, even if you don't, maybe you just like the colors and decorations. Just let me know either way. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we'll see you guys real soon. Next time.